Mom, are you okay? You look sick.
Taking care of my sick mom. Let's plant these flowers together and watch them grow into beautiful blooms.
People, come inside now. It is going to rain.
Yes, Mom. I'll water them every day and help take care of our garden. It started raining now. I need to go inside.
I have to make breakfast now.
Do we need rain, Mom?
Yes, we do. Rain gives water to plants, fills rivers and lakes, and helps people and animals stay healthy. Do you love rain?
Yes, Mom. I love listening to the raindrops and jumping in puddles after it rains. Let me go and see Dad.
Hi, sweetheart. Did you learn something interesting with Mom today?
Yes, Dad. Mom taught me why it rains and why rain is important for plants, animals, and people.
That's good.
There never seems to be an end to these dishes.
Oh, I am feeling so tired. Let me take some rest.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Mom, these are your favorite flowers. Oh. Mom, are you no? Mom, are you okay? You look sick.
I think I have a little fever, but it's okay. I will manage.
Dad, come soon. Mom is not feeling well.
Okay. What happened to you? Are you feeling okay? You look a little unwell.
I think she has a fever. Please, get some rest. I'll take care of things and make sure you have everything you need.
Don't worry, baby. I will be fine. Just a little fever.
Mommy, do you want some water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you are, Mommy.
Thank you, my little helper.
I hope you feel better soon.
Your sweet words make me happy.
Come to the kitchen with me.
Let me cut the vegetables.
I will make some soup for Mom.
Can I help you cook?
Yes.
Come on.
Drink this hot soup. You'll feel better soon.
Thank you.
We love you.
I have to get some medicine from the pharmacy. But it's raining so heavily.
I will be okay, dear. Don't worry about me. I will take some rest. I will be fine.
Oh. Dad, let's go to the pharmacy.
Okay, come on.
Dad, wait for me. I am coming.
Let's go. We reached the pharmacy.
Hello, how can I help you?
My wife has a fever. I need some medicine for her.
Here is some fever medicine. Please follow the instructions on the package.
Thank you.
Why are you getting so late and worried? It is raining so heavily. Please come home soon.
Don't worry, dear. We are almost reaching home.
Okay.
There is so much traffic. Hope we reach soon. Okay, we are finally home. Come inside.
Here, take this and take some rest.
Thank you so much, dear.
To read you a story.
That's very kind of you.
Take some rest now. Hope you get well soon.
I think I am feeling better now. Come, let's go to bed now.
Good night.
Good night.